This is a VHS video effect, and believe me, you need to watch this video right now. So, you're probably wondering, what am I recording on? Am I recording on a classic camera? Am I recording on one of the other Sony cameras? No, I'm recording merely on my phone. That's right, my mobile phone. And yet, I can get this effect. And so, I want to tell you how you can get this effect completely for free in 4 simple steps. So, let's jump straight into the video. Step 1, you're going to need a mobile phone. It doesn't necessarily matter which one. It can be a Samsung, an iPhone, or my phone, which is a Honor. Yeah. Don't judge me. Step 2, you're going to want to open the Google App Store or whatever app store that, sells apps. Not sells, installs. Step number 3, you're going to want to type in tape. I don't know if this says tape or tape-e. It's because it's got an extra e, so it makes it sound like, e. As opposed to tape, it's tape-e. It probably is tape. And then finally, after you install the app, all you're going to want to do is open it, and it's as simple as that, literally. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share out this really cool VHS effect. I just wanted to show off this effect. That's it. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Hey there, it's me, Joel. So, if you didn't find the app, then you could just go in the description below and there should be a link directing you straight to the app. Here's an image of the app.